Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of Linux with a guide to essential commands every beginner should know. Whether you're new to this powerful operating system or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is your gateway to mastering the basics. Before we jump in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials and tips. Alright, enough talking, let's start. So, I'm in Linux terminal. The first command we'll tackle is pwd, which stands for Print Working Directory. This nifty command reveals the directory you're currently in. It's like a GPS for your terminal, showing you the exact location within the vast Linux file system. As you can see, I'm currently in directory, which name is my username Sachintha. Next up, we'll dive into ls, the command used to list the contents of a directory. When you type ls and hit enter, a magical list unfolds before your eyes, displaying all the files and folders nestled in your current location. As you can see, it shows all the available files and directories. But this not shown us the hidden files and directories. If you want to display hidden file, you should pass the argument -a with less command. It's show all the hidden files starting with $sign. Also, you can pass various arguments with this command. You can use -l for list down the output of ls command. It shows all the file and directories as list of item with details. If you want to write this output into text file, you can use greater than sign and file name you want to create like this. As you can see, it's create output.txt file. But wait, there's more. We'll also learn about cd command, short for change directory. This command lets you move seamlessly between directories. Want to dive deeper into a subdirectory? Just cd into it. Now I'm in my desktop. Using ls command, we can see all the files and folder inside of it. Need to go back up a level? cd with a little double dot, magic does the trick. Note that Linux system is case sensitive, which means you need to give exact name of the directory or file. For an example, when I try to navigate to desktop with simple D, it show error like this. Let's clear the screen. Let's look at another command called cat. The cat command allows us to do two primary things: view the contents of a file and concatenate multiple files together. Let's look how it's work. First, when you want to simply peek inside a file without opening a text editor, cat has your back. Let's look at what are the content of output.txt file. Just type cat followed by the file name, and voila! The contents spill out onto your terminal screen, ready for your eyes to devour. Let's look at another example. This time, I pass -b as an argument. So now it shows all the file content with line number. See the difference with and without -b. But wait, there's more to cat than meets the eye. Have a series of files that you want to combine into one cohesive document? Cat lets you do just that. Let's combine output.txt file and text file together. As you can see, there is a new file called concatfile.txt. Let's look at what we have inside of it. There we go. Both files content are here. Let's not forget mkdir for creating new directories and rmdir for removing them when you're done. These commands are the architects of your file system, allowing you to build and deconstruct directories with ease. To create new folder, you can type mkdir following with folder name which you want to create. As you can see, it's create new folder called new directory. Let's see how to remove folders. To delete folder, you can type rmdir following with folder name. Let's see. Boom! Folder was gone. But using rmdir, you can only delete folders. What if you want to delete files? Yeah, always there is a Superman. You can use rm to remove files. Let's delete file called text. There we go, it removes completely. Let's see how copy files and folders using Linux terminal. You can type cp and then file name you want to copy and destination. You want to copying file. So it's work. Now I'm trying to make a copy of file in same location, but with different name. So it's create new file, call copy.txt. But if you want to copy folder with all contents of it, you must use -R argument along with cp command. You can see test folder and content inside of it is there. If you use rmd or ir command to remove folder, which is not empty, it's give error. To accomplish this task, we can use -R with rm command. We now know how to copying files. What about moving files? To achieve this, there is a command called mv. Using mv command, we can move file one in to another location. Let's try to move folder called test into documents folder. As we expected, file not here anymore. Let's check out inside of document folder. There it is. Let's moving into document folder and see content of test folder. There is in text file. There is another command we can use to view the content of any file. It is less command. To exit from it, you can press Q key on the keyboard. If you want to create new empty file, you can use touch command for that. It's create new empty file for you. You can also use nano command to create and edit files. Let's add some text to our file. There we go. Now you can save these changes and exit from this view using keyboard shortcut control +X key. We can see new text line added to our file. So there are all the basic command I plan to cover on this video. I hope this video has been valuable to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FourBit LK for more coding tutorials, tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, goodbye.